As I already mentioned, computers are really good at comparing data. They're good at seeing if something falls within a certain range. And so we have these 6 operators that we can use to compare data. So all of these operators are binary. What that means is they have 2 operands. So for instance, if let's say we're comparing x and y, we have 2 operands. So x and y are the operands. And so basically what we're saying with this statement is x greater than y? If x is greater than y, this is going to be true if x is greater than y. If it turns out that x isn't greater than y, then this will be false. The operators we have are the greater than, so greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. These all have left to right associativity. So in other words, when these operators work, they move from left to right. So like for instance with this, we're saying is 12 greater than 5, it's going to say is 12 greater than 5. So it's not saying it is 5 less than 12, it's saying is 12 greater than 5. This is true. So so with the 12 greater than 5, once we do this comparison, this is going to be true in the computer. If we say is 7 less than or equal to 5, that's false, so this is going to be false. And we can also do, well, so let's look at these. So if x is equal to 10, so let's just say x is equal to 10, then if we say x is equal to 10, so what we're asking with these 2 equal signs, we're saying is x equal to 10? This would be true because x is equal to 10. If we say with this next one, so x is not equal to 8, x is not equal to 8 because x is equal to 10, so this is true. And then if we say is x equal to 8, that's going to be false because really we're saying is 10 equal to 8, so that's false. One thing to notice with this equal to operator, and I'm going to point this out a few times, but you don't want to confuse this, so this is equal to, with the equal operator, because what if we were trying to say, so x is equal to 10, and what if we were trying to say is x equal to 8, but we accidentally typed 8 equal to x? It's going to set x equal to 8, so then that statement will always be true.